धीरे. In hand picking what is done? Explain what you are doing.
Collect these stones from the sand by hand.
Why this one is called as hand picking? Because
Ma'am, because the particles are bigger.
big in size, so
Big
we
in
can
size.
easily separate with our hands.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this process is called hand
Hand
picking
picking.
method. Good. Okay. So first, if I take water in this glass, okay, this is an experiment to show about the miscible or the soluble substances in. So here I am mixing this salt. So salt is being mixed, and we can clearly see that if we mix this salt, it is completely miscible in water. Means the water and the salt, they are completely mixed with each other, and this mixture can also be called as a homogeneous mixture because nothing can be
Visible.
visible.
Yes.
The water and the salt, they are completely mixed with each other. Okay. So what this is called as soluble
Soluble
in water.
mixture. Solid.
And homogeneous mixture because it is completely mixed.
Miscible.
Huh?
Miscible.
Miscible also. Okay. But if so, we can see that if we mix the salt in the water, they are completely soluble. Nothing, no difference can be seen. That means it indicates that this is a soluble mixture. Yes. Now, if I dissolve, these are the sand particles. Now,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
I will do, I will just
Take
take some sand and put it in the water. Now, what we can see, if I mix this, we can easily see the sand as well as the water. Okay. So this is soluble or insoluble?
Insoluble.
Yes, this is insoluble, or you can say immiscible, means they are not mixing with water. Okay, so this one is immiscible. Now we will allow this to settle. We will allow some time
Settle down.
to settle down. So now we can see that after some time the sand particles, they have settled down. Now let me take some more sand so that it will be visible completely. Yes. Yes.
Sir.
So here we can see that the sand has settled down. So this process is called as sedimentation. Understood?
Sedimentary rock.
No, not sedimentary, that is different. What you have done, you have poured some sand, okay, you have allowed it to settle for some time, then after that you can see that the sand particles, they have settled down. This process is called as sedimentation. Okay, now I will show you what is decantation. Yes. For decantation, see, this process is sedimentation. Some liquid is there above the sand. So what I will do, I will pour it into another glass. This process is called decantation. Understood? Yes. This process is called decantation. Okay. This one was sedimentation, and when you are pouring it, that process is called your decantation. And after decantation, what we will do? We will do filtration. For filtration, we need a filter paper. So now we will make a filter paper. Okay. Since I don't have a filter paper, I'll just show you how the filter paper actually looks like. Okay. So for that, wait. Let me cut it into a circle. Then I will show you how the filter paper is folded. Yes, because there is a way of folding it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So how the filter paper is folded? This is not a filter paper. Just imagine this is a filter paper.
Yes, ma'am.
So what we will do? First we will fold it into two halves. Understood? So first we will fold it like this, and then after that we will fold it like this. Understood? So after folding it like this, now we can see that first what we did, I am showing you again. First we will fold it into two halves, then we will fold it like this.
Four halves.
So no, Yes, if we open it, we can see that 4 halves has been done. If we hold it like this,
2
we
halves.
will see that not 2 halves, right?
3 halves.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 layers are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So for filtration, what you will do, if you will hold it like this, this cannot be held. If you will hold it like this, means here what will happen? 3 folds in one place and 1 fold at the other place. Okay. So you will do it like this, and then you will keep it on the funnel or where you will be filtering. Understood?
Yes,
How the filter paper is kept? First we will fold it 2 halves, then 4, then 3 will be on one side, so the ratio will be 3:1. 3 on one side, 1 on the other. Okay, and then you will place it like this, and then you will start pouring the what? Water. Okay.
Ma'am, you have not made the hole.
No, the filter paper will already have pores which will filter out the water. Okay. Since we are not having a filter paper, I just showed you with the help of a normal paper how the filter paper is folded. Now instead of using a filter paper, what we can do, we can use a cloth, because a cloth has several pores inside it. Okay, so cloth can also be used as a filtration medium. Okay, so now we will do this filtration of this water which we got after sedimentation and then decantation. This now we will do the filtration process. Okay, pause for a minute. Now what we will do, we have bought another glass to show the filtration process. This was a normal paper where we showed that how the filter paper is made. Now instead of using that filter paper, I am using a cloth to show the filtration, because the cloth is also having very tiny pores from which filtration can be done. So wait, let me show you. So now I will, someone just hold this. Yes, hold it on one side, not like that, wait. Yes, so I'll pour the water slowly. I'm not sure how much it will get filtered. Yes, slowly we will put on the center part. Okay, let us see whether it has got filtered or not. Yes, to some extent it has got filtered.
Yes.
The water is looking like this, though it is not crystal clear, but it is clear than at least this muddy water. Okay. So finally, after, so what first we saw? First we saw this sedimentation where sand has settled down, and then pouring the water, that was called your decantation, and after that decantation we did the filtration. Okay. So these all the 3 processes are over. Thank you.